Tuscany. The capital of Tuscany is Florence. Tuscany is known for its landscape, traditions, history, artistic legacy. It is known as the birthplace of Italian Renaissance. It is sometimes called a nation within a nation because it has a strong linguistic and cultural identity. Tuscany produces wines, Chianti, Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, Morellino, di Scansano, and others. Famous museums in Florence are the Uffizi, the Pitti Palace. This is the center of Florence. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Tuscany is a popular tourist destination. Many tourists visit Florence, Pisa, Montecatini, Terme, Castiglione della Pescaia, and Grosseto. Castiglione della Pescaia, photo left, is known for its beaches, nightlife, the large fishery, nature reserve, the Dacia Botrona, and fortress. The Dacia Botrona, this nature reserve, is a humid swamp. Flamingos, mallards, and ducks are found here. Other tourist destinations are Siena, Lucca, and the Chianti region, San Gimignano, Versilia, and Valdorcia. Siena. It is a medieval city. The famous Palio horse race runs around the piazza called Il Campo twice in summer. It is said that Siena was founded by Senius, son of Remus, one of the two founders of Rome. Siena's emblem is the she-wolf. You can find many statues of Remus and Romulus around the city. The city sits on 3 hills. Geography. Tuscany borders Liguria in the northwest, Emilia-Romagna to the north, Marche to the northeast, Umbria to the east, and Lazio to the southeast. The municipality of Badia Tedalda in the Tuscan province of Arezzo has an exclave called Ca' Raffaello, situated in Marche. In the west, Tuscany borders the Ligurian Sea and the Tyrrhenian Sea. The Tuscan archipelago is situated in the Tyrrhenian Sea. The Isle of Elba is the largest island in the archipelago. Mount Abetone and the Pistoia Mountains. They border Emilia-Romagna and contain vast forests. Garfagnana. Garfagnana, this is situated in the province of Lucca. It is between the Apuan Alps and the Apennines. This is the place to go hiking, climbing, and to stay the night in a Tuscan Alps refuge. Monte Amiata. This is in the mountains of Tuscany that are part of the Maremma Apennines, located between Grosseto and Siena. It is an ancient, extinct volcano. Surrounding the mountain of Amiata, there are medieval castles, Romanesque churches like the famous Abbey of San Salvatore, and nature reserves. Apuan Alps. These Alps are situated in the area of Lucca in the north. Lunigiana borders Liguria and the provinces of Massa and Carrara and La Spezia. The mountain ranges from here include the Tosco-Emiliano Apennines and the Apuan Alps. To the south, they border Garfagnana. For hiking and trekking, the Via del Sale to Via Modenese. Casentino. Casentino is one of the 4 valleys of the city of Arezzo, characterized by forests in mountainous areas, and is crossed by a stretch of the Arno River. Some of the main peaks are Mount Falterona, Prato Magno, and Mount Falco. Pisan Mountains. These are among the oldest and highest mountains in Tuscany and Italy. They are part of the Alps in Tuscany and of the Lucca and Pisa provinces. Here you can find medieval towns like Vico Pisano. Hills make up 2/3 of the region, mountains make up 1/4, and plains make up the rest, which are situated round the valley of the river Arno. Florence, Empoli and Pisa lie on the banks of the river Arno. The climate. Near the coast the climate is mild. Inland the climate is cooler and wet. There is a difference in temperature between summer and winter. Agriculture. Soffioni, Ladirello. Marble tiles from Versilia, Carrara marble. The subsoil is fairly rich in minerals. The Soffioni fumaroles at Ladarello. There are vast marble mines in Versilia. Agriculture contributes to the economy. The region grows cereals, potatoes, olives, grapes, rice, tobacco, beets and sunflowers. Industry. Mining is the dominant industrial sector. Other industries are marble in the Carrara area, textiles, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, metalworking, steel, glass, ceramics, clothing, printing and publishing. Smaller specialized industries include leather, footwear, hothouse plants, furniture, scooters and motorcycles. Tourism. Maremma, Castiglione della Pescaia, Grosseto and Orbetello are the most popular tourist destinations. Fashion. The Via dei Tornabuoni in Florence, the city's top fashion shopping street. Here you can find Cartier, Ferragamo, Gucci, Versace and other high-end shops. Administrative divisions. Tuscany is divided into 9 provinces and 1 metropolitan city, Florence. Okay, and the questions. Bye-bye.